let's continue with operations on strings and languages. So here we will see union operation. So for languages A and B, union of A and B is denoted as A plus B, and it is defined as A plus B is equal to W such that W belongs to A or W belongs to B. So here there is OR condition. So this is simply set union operation. Language A contains some strings, language B contains some strings, and in A plus B we simply make union of A and B. So let's take one example. This is language A, this is language B. When we calculate A plus B, from A we get AB and AAB. From B we get BA, ABA and BAB. So while calculating A plus B, we must make sure that there is no repetitions of strings in A plus B. So here language A contains 2 strings, B contains 3 strings, and A plus B contains 5 strings. So in this next example, this is A, this is B. When we calculate A plus B or A union B, from A we get epsilon A power 2, A power 4. From B, when we take A power 2 is repeating. A power 4 is also repeating. So we take A power 6 from B. So here A contains 3 strings, B contains 3 strings, and A plus B contains 4 strings because some strings are repeating. So in general, if language A contains m number of strings, language B contains n number of strings, then language A plus B will contain less than or equal to m plus n number of strings. Do not ignore the notes. You will understand some points easily and clearly if you go through the notes. Now these are some special cases. So this is language A, and in this case language B is empty set or phi. So when we calculate A plus B, from A we get AB and AAB, AB and AAB, and language B is empty set, so we don't get any string from language B. So when B is empty set, A plus B is language A itself. Now this is next example. So this is language A, and language B contains only one string, which is null string. In this case language B is not empty set. So when we calculate A plus B, from A we get AB and AAB, AB and AAB, and from B we have to take this null string epsilon. So in A plus B we add epsilon because language B contains epsilon. So in this case B is empty set, in this case B is not empty set, it contains epsilon. So here in A plus B we must add epsilon. So some logical conclusions are: union operation is commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A, and for any language A plus empty set phi is equal to language A itself.